Chapter 10. Rocks and Minerals. The solid part of Earth is made up of rocks. They can be found on land, under the soil, at the bottom of rivers, in mountains. Wow fact! Rocks are essential building materials used in constructing buildings, creating statues, and making jewelry. Types of rocks. Rocks come in various shapes, sizes, and colors. They can be classified into two main categories: hard rocks, soft rocks. Hard rocks. Granite. Colors: reddish-brown, black, or green. Uses: floors, statues, and kitchen slabs. Marble. Colors: black, white, pink, grey. Uses: floors, statues, and buildings. Notable example: Taj Mahal in Agra is made of white marble. Sandstone. Uses: buildings, statues, and handicrafts. Notable example: Red Fort in Delhi is made of red sandstone. Soft rocks. Coal. Color: black. Use: fuel for cooking. Chalk. Color: white. Use: writing on blackboards. Slate. Color: black. Uses: making blackboards and house roofs. Minerals. Rocks are composed of substances called minerals. Most rocks contain two or more minerals. Common minerals. Mica, one of the most common minerals, used in electronics. Quartz, common mineral, used in watch dials. Talc, softest of all minerals, used in talcum powder. Graphite. Color: soft black. Use: pencil lead. China clay. Use: making pottery items. Diamond, hardest mineral. Use: jewelry. Silica, found in sand. Appears as tiny particles in sand. Gemstones, hard minerals with vibrant colors. Used in jewelry. Examples include opal and topaz. Wow fact! The word diamond comes from the Greek word meaning unbreakable.